Hello guys, welcome to my channel. We are going to see FitGirl installation guide. Following this method, avoid all errors from the start guys. Before open the setup folder, you just need to check my video description for this video link. Just watch this video to avoid setup corrupted or missing DLL files error. After watching this video, and now you just need to go to search menu and type Windows Security. Click on open it. Select the virus and threat protection and select manage settings. Turn off the real-time protection. Select yes. After turning off, just minimize this page. Now open the setup folder. Double click on the setup and select yes. Select the language and select OK option. Select this music icon to mute the music. And if you have under 8 GB RAM, then check mark this box guys. Limit the installer to 2 GB of RAM usage. And make sure nothing is running in the background. And select next option and select next. Select the browse option and select the location where you want to save this game and select OK and select next. In optional voiceovers, you just need to check mark your preferred language, guys. I'm gonna have Russia. To check marking your preferred language, select install option. After the installation done, open up the Windows security we minimized before and scroll down and select add or remove exclusions and select yes. Select add an exclusion and select folder and navigate to the game folder where you saved. I saved in C drive games and here is the game folder. After selecting it, select folder option and the game has been added to this list. Go back and turn on the real-time protection. After turning on, just close stuff here and uncheck this option guys. Open this site, redirect to this site and select finish option. As you can see, all files are okay. There is no missing or bad files found. Just close stuff here and install the DirectX and Visual C++. As you can see, the game opens up without having any problem and you will never face any game related problem guys. No further level like guys. Thank you.